Listen, we were talking about being old. It's a state of mind. Lily's on the line. Hello, Lily. May I ask your age?
Well, I'm young. I'm only 50.
Right.
And I'm the event coordinator for the Totnes WI ladies, the Women's Institute. And we have such an amazing array of women there from 50s through to their 80s.
Are any of them old?
No.
Right.
I don't think so. Everybody's up for life. I believe age is a state of mind, and I think all our members believe the same thing as well.
Totnes WI has always tried to push out the boundaries and try and do something a little bit different.
And I think it's a real positive thing for the WI to be doing these sort of things, to let other women know we're not ashamed of who we are and what we are.
I've got grey hair and glasses, and sometimes you do feel a bit invisible. So it's nice to celebrate your body, really, and to feel that you can still look attractive and nice, even as you're going into older age.
Most women have some sort of body issue, and so I think it's really good to do something like this because it sort of gets you over it. It's really good to sort of all be girls together having a giggly time, and the carver helped.
Yeah, I think it's really done everybody a pile of good. Just to come out, have a good day, fun day, get a bit cold, and do something just a bit different.
We're so diverse, and yet we all get on so well, and it's just fabulous that we can all laugh together and work as a team. This has been certainly uplifting for me. I mean, at one time when people were our age, they were considered to be quite old and didn't do very much. But now women of our age are doing so much more. Life begins at 70. So onwards and upwards, that's all I can say.